Your Communication Access Rights by Communication Disabilities Access Canada. As a person who has a speech and language disability, you have the same rights as everyone else. This includes being able to use businesses and services in your community. Businesses and services cannot deny you access to their services or give you reduced or poor quality services because you have a communication disability. Laws in Canada tell businesses and organizations that they should make their services accessible to you. However, you may need to tell people about your communication rights and what they should do when communicating with you. Here are some examples of your communication rights. You have the right to respect. Sometimes you may need to tell people how to show respect when communicating with you. For example, you might want to tell them to look at you and to talk to you and not the person with you. You might want to ask them not to shout, not to talk to you in a childish manner or underestimate your abilities. You have the right to use your communication methods. You can use the communication method that works best for you. It's good to have something in writing that explains how you communicate and what you want people to do when interacting with you. You have the right to get enough time to communicate. Communicating a message by spelling, showing pictures, or typing on a device takes longer than speaking. You may need to explain this and to ask for extra time during an appointment. You have the right to be understood. You can ask people to tell you if they don't understand you. That gives you the opportunity to move to a quiet place to communicate and to repeat your message or communicate it in another way. You have the right to understand what other people are saying. You can ask people to use everyday language and to speak slowly. If you have aphasia after a stroke, you may want to have people write down key words or show you pictures to illustrate what they are talking about. You have the right to communication assistance. There are some situations, such as a hospital or courtroom, where you may need the organization to get a trained communication assistant to help them understand your messages. Learn more about your communication rights by visiting our website.